Hey girlies! Thank you so much for coming back to my channel, Lexi the Girl. Have you ever thought about wearing blush but you're not really even sure like how to put it on or even how to wear it? Well, stay tuned. Alright, so we are talking about the top 4 ways of how to wear blush. But before we get into it, please like, comment, and hit that subscribe button, especially if you're new. I decided to make this video mainly because I started thinking I don't really wear blush too much, but I always see other makeup artists using it in their videos, especially on Instagram, and I just kind of wanted to figure out what the importance of blush is. Is it just an enhancement? Is it just something extra? Is it a must-have? I just had all these different types of questions, and as I was growing up, my mom told me, oh, you could just use lipstick as blush, but that's not necessarily true. So the most common way is to just put it on your cheeks, and that's actually depending on your face type. So whether you have a square face, you actually put it on the apples of your cheeks by smiling, or you have a heart-shaped face, which that's kind of what I have whenever I smile. And so I'll start on the apples of my cheeks and then slide upward. Or if you have an oval face, then you'll start under your cheeks and go upward. Or if you have round face type, then you'll go along your cheekbones into an upward motion. Let's practice together. So this is my BH Cosmetics 26 color eyeshadow and blush. I don't really use this palette very much, but how you differentiate the blush is obviously at the bottom. So we're just gonna kind of start with this kind of red pinkish color just to kind of accent what I have on. So since I have a heart-shaped face, I'm just gonna go underneath and sweep up. Just a light feather. You don't want to press too hard because you'll end up putting too much blush in one spot. It's just gonna be like a sheer finish and you're just gonna glisten. That's pretty much it. So the second way to wear blush is you can actually apply it as contour. Sounds crazy, right? Yeah, that's exactly what I said when I found out about it. But you can actually soften a square jawline just right here, just putting a little bit of blush, not too much, and it'll actually look a little bit slimmer and kind of more heart-shaped, if you get what I mean. Or if you want to shorten a long face, then you just apply it at the temples, and then that way it appear a little bit slimmer. If you have a slim face, you want to put it on the top of your cheekbones, and then that way it'll kind of slim it down and bring it in a little bit, almost like a heart shape, which is almost the ideal shape, face shape. So the third way is actually how my mother taught me, what my mother taught me about blush, wearing it as lipstick. But here's the thing, have you ever thought that you really don't have the perfect shade of lipstick to go with your makeup? Well, this is where you can put your blush as your lipstick and it'll be perfectly fine. So the fourth and final way is you can actually use blush as a lip balm. So if you pair powdered blush and lip balm together, it'll make a lip balm once you apply it on your lips before your actual lipstick application. Alright, so I got a story for you guys. I accidentally used blush as highlighter. How do you do that? Like, it didn't even shine. When I realized that it was blush instead of the actual highlight, I put the highlighter on top of the blush and just made it work on top of my cheeks. And actually I smiled and just put it on the apples of my cheeks, and when I got done smiling, my blush was all the way down here. So one reason why you should not smile while applying blush, you just smile to see where you should kind of put it and just put it a step lower. Don't make my mistake. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I hope everybody has an amazing holiday. I really enjoyed filming this video for you guys and spending time, even though Flip thinks this was kind of boring, but it's alright. I'll see y'all next time. Bye. La 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 la. Yeah, I know I can't sing, but I can hold that note though.
Lying. Why you always lying? Oh my God. Stop.
Oh my God.